Hello, this is Sandeep Bhatia of Beaumont Law Practice Solicitors, and in this episode of my video blog, I wanted to talk to you about what discrimination means under English law. It has a very precise and distinct meaning. A person suffers discrimination if he receives less favourable treatment than others because he or she possesses a protected characteristic which others do not, and because they are treated less favourably due to that protected characteristic. Now, the protected characteristics are all laid out in a piece of legislation passed by Parliament called the Equality Act 2010, and you have to show that the reason for the less favourable treatment is for one of those listed characteristics in that act. And the listed characteristics are, firstly, age, which can work both ways. Someone is treated differently because they're young or because they are old. Secondly, the second characteristic I'm going to discuss is disability, which is described as a physical or mental impairment which has a substantial and long-term effect on a person's ability to carry out day-to-day tasks. The third one is gender reassignment, where someone is treated differently because they are planning to have surgery to change their gender, because they are undergoing the process of gender reassignment, or because they have undergone that process of gender reassignment. The fourth one is someone being treated differently due to the fact that they are married or because they have taken part in a formal civil partnership. The fifth one is race, which includes colour, nationality, ethnic origins, and national religions. The sixth one is religion or belief, which can also include the fact that someone does not believe in religion. The seventh one is due to someone's sex, and the eighth one is due to someone's sexual orientation. And the final one I'm going to discuss today is pregnancy and maternity. Now, that is where someone is treated differently because they are pregnant or they're a new mother, and it covers the period in the case where somebody is entitled to maternity leave from when the pregnancy begins to the end of the additional maternity leave period, or when they return to work after giving birth, or where someone doesn't have a right to statutory maternity leave stroke pay. The period ends 2 weeks after the end of the pregnancy. So there you are. If you want to establish a claim for discrimination, you have to show, for direct discrimination, that you have one of those protected characteristics and that you've been treated differently to your detriment because of that protected characteristic. So if you feel that that's something you might have suffered, then why not get in touch with us? Our website is www.beaumonde, BEAUMONDE-law.co.uk. So thank you for watching this today.